In today's highly competitive world, you need to ensure that your software development teams are working efficiently and effectively. Polarion ALM helps with this in many ways. In this short video, we'll look at two major areas: process automation and reuse. To achieve efficiency, you need to have a well-designed and well-defined process. That's the easy part. Other things are much more difficult. For example, to ensure that all team members know and understand the process and how it applies to their role. To guard against errors due to incomplete information or incorrect understanding of the process. To enforce the process, making sure that steps are never missed or skipped in the heat of the moment. To make sure that designated people review and sign off on items before those items can move forward in the process. And to document that the process has been rigorously followed. Polarion ALM's patented workflow automation quite simply eliminates these pitfalls. Polarion ALM comes with pre-configured workflows for several popular processes and methodologies: Agile, Scrum, and more. You can easily modify default workflows or map any process into the workflow configuration to automate and control the exact process you use. Once configured, you gain several immediate benefits. Teams and team members don't need to know the entire process, just the part that pertains to their roles. That significantly cuts training time and costs. Only valid next steps are available to users. The process is painlessly enforced. Artifacts from granular work items to entire documents are always handled according to the process. People can never accidentally forget or deliberately skip any process step. Every status change to an item as it moves through the workflow is automatically logged in the underlying history, leaving an audit trail that is easily retrieved and reported when necessary. You already understand the benefits of reuse when it comes to working efficiently. Polarion ALM supports reuse in many ways. Let's quickly look at just a few. You can set up a global configuration that contains templates for different types of projects, default artifact types and workflows, default document types and their workflows, and more. These configurations are automatically reused in new projects, which teams can then optionally modify to support their exact requirements. Polarion ALM comes with predefined project templates, which you can reuse and modify as needed. Project templates are a huge time saver. You configure everything once, from artifact types and their workflows to default work items, specification documents, and other content, and you reuse it all for multiple similar projects. Within projects, there are also many possibilities for reuse. At the most granular level, you can create work items that serve as templates for other work items of the same type. New items based on the template item will have default values for various fields already filled. Over time and over many work items, the time savings quickly mount up. You can also reuse entire documents in several ways. Standalone copies, of course. But for example, out of box, you can branch a requirements specification document that has been approved for a version 1.0 to create a variant specification for a version 2.0. Work on the requirements for that version can proceed while version 1.0 is under development. Later, the changes can be merged to create a comprehensive requirements specification document. If you need more robust variant specifications, for product line engineering, for example, the Polarion Variants add-on is available, providing a back-end variants server supporting state-of-the-art product line engineering using Polarion ALM. There are so many more ways that Polarion ALM supports efficient and effective software development. Why not request a live demo today? A Polarion ALM expert will give you a one-on-one guided tour of the pioneering application lifecycle management software that is currently used by more than 10,000 firms worldwide to create better complex software faster.